Yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaoni aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Sept babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase ou MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuligo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Jumatano engia mwancho murigerero Getembe TV hiti tariki 10 mutinyi noyo kianda mwaka chiribubere mirongevere na Isano karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere nigo fono chianyare kufutuka chitaweka angevere goro ya Chinsa Isano na Ibere chomugaso naboigo nekirongo kwaligane rinde tunyare gusanga asinsemo Ekeonga ayagenderete kurwase rirobo rya gusi naboigo Chinse mo ao ime yense ya Kenya ngoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa na Veni Nyaboke lero kwenekia kwanyorere ayaiga asinjira yumono bwibimanyerera asinjira engikirano kigima umoncho murigire nekirongo chaka Ekeonga roboti robo chana kirongo chaka nabamenye be ward ya Kitutu Central egotoka ime ya Kitutu chache South county ya Kisii ekirobono bare birero magika yo mwana we myaka meke kogwa nabo igo gosombwa na amache rituko rigoro ayaiga nigo bono anyarate gukorekana ase oburaro ukwambuka kura Chinsa moche ashirikisho gocha Chinsa mocha gose junction nabo igo flyover gose gocha Chinsa moche nyagitari ya bosongo nekero bagenderete kurigia umubiri bw'omwana oyo nigo bono banyare kurwa okuboria gocha ase serikali ye county nabo igo abarai bonsi banyare kwenekia buna besona nire nabo igokorosia oburaro obo gose etaracha ase ayo korengana nabo nigo bono batebire babire bagukwanera engane eyo gose okogunda gose osarika kuburaro obo samatuka mangi kurende abarai baraba bagotegerera ebirero byabo. Kutigana nayo mwancho murigereria umurai igwense umuske William Ruto nigo emambiye rituko rya rero anyara ko bariganya abambasada ose ababalozi abaya korwa Chinsa ao gochaiga asense ya Kenya gusanga nabo basamaga cha ikulu enene nigo Ruto anyara kubaboria kubeka omokia eri kwenekia buna banyare gukinia okubwaterana egati yense ya Kenya nabo igo Chinsa chiria abakorwa Chinsa buna Algeria, Hungary, ense ya Norway, Ukraine, Mexico, ense ya Egypt, Slovenia nabo igo ense ya Uzbekistan.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your country within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible, within the law, the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations. Ambassador, good morning.
Thank you. Good morning.
His master's degree in environmental technology and international affairs is from Vienna University of Technology.
And the Minister for Foreign Affairs. Deputy Chief of Staff in my office.
Allow me to extend warm greetings and best wishes from His Excellency.
Kenya plays an important role in ensuring peace and security in the region.
Gutigana nayo mwancho murigereria ababwatani be wizara yobochenu bakurawa numuriki obotambe ase Chinsa mecho Mary Muthoni nigo bono banyarire gusingerera buna amagima y'abana abake se bana ebingwerere nabonete kurendwa chingaki bakwiborwa goika buna ekiro bagenderete gukina bagokwana kurwa ase nyagitari ya Gakane emeyo muchio Nairobi ababwatani abo banyarire ko raria buna abana bake nigo bagusiria amagima abo ase chisa babo echo kiranyare gutangika na aba ekero abangina bebwateraneti bakuburirwa kugenda clinic nabo igo abana konyora chanjo na oburwari bwa genkyo.
With our community health promoters, we have been able to reach out to more than 350 pregnant women who have been identified, and 136,000 of them have been referred to the nearest facility just for checkup. And again, they have also been able to reach to about 10 million children below the ages of 5 years. This is basically to assess common childhood ailment and at the same time issues to do with malnutrition. And when they find that there's a problem, they refer them to the nearest facility. Safety must be designed, implemented, and sustained from the very start at the point of birth, linking patient safety with community health and primary care. And to protect these children, the newborns especially, let us strengthen the foundation at the community level with health promotion, preventive care, and timely detection of complications that prevent tragedies before they unfold. We must learn from safety incidents, not just to assign blame, but to improve. We must improve from those problems that we have had in the past. And every adverse event and near miss is an opportunity to strengthen systems and prevent recurrence. And this happens with transparent reporting, supportive leadership, and the courage to change practices that put patients at risk.
Newborns account for more than 40% of under 5 deaths, showing that the first days of life remains the most dangerous. These numbers are not abstract. They are mothers losing babies within hours of delivery and families devastated by tragedies that should have never happened. Yet, 2/3 of newborn deaths in our region, in Eastern and Southern Africa, which has got 21 countries, could be prevented with simple, cost-effective interventions.
Na guska busio egati ya borokia ime yense ya Kenya nigo bono besokire na kokana gosekwamiriria umurobiri obobo wenia osha oyore muteneneri wekiombe ikiana atikorase county ya Nakuru manyekanete buna Anthony Igioshe nigo bono anyarire kuboria gosegoteba eserikali tebwati gose abarimu tibabwati okwegena ase umurobiri wega osha anomono ekirobono aborokia baiga ne chinka chabo baligetie konyora obo wene kurase chinyagitari nabo igo nigo anyarire kwamiriria umurobiri wa serikali gose chingumo chabirichi kuhonchukana na imenzi ya Kenya una serikali neche kubeka emirobiri ya borokiwa gose wizara yechisemnyara gutenenerwa nechi serikali ichi county.
We have heard a story from the government that they want to move us to SHA, Social Health Authority. And we have no problem with Social Health Authority. But we are saying this, we will not go there. Some people are saying that tunasema tukae Minet kwa sababu tunakula huko. We don't eat. In any case, wale wanakula hatuwasaidii kukula. What we are saying is this, even if not Minet, we want our cover to be independent, the way it is independent. And this time round, we are not soothing. It's not a matter of kuma, it's a matter of saying that is the truth. Rather a devil you know than an angel you don't know. We do not know what is inside the SHA. Now your SHA, you know even policemen are there, others are there, and they are making noise. Otherwise, walimu, our unity is strength. Mukisikia hiyo imesemekana hivyo, tafadhali tutokee and we defend our medical cover. Lastly, it has been whispered that people want to take us to the county, and we will not go there. In any case, we are calling for our cousins in ECD who has been mistreated. We want teachers to be paid well. I don't have to use a lot of English and a lot of words so that people can understand. We don't. That is final.
babwate chinjira baranyara gukora emirimo nebigwanda nabo igo gutumika ubumanyi ebwensi hose buri bwegoro babwate eriho Kenya onsi ase obonjereme yense ya Kenya.
We are calling upon the great people of the industry to come and participate actively in commercialization of the innovations that are coming out of industry. What is happening in this country is peaking and launching into the Vision 2030 of our country. When we come together as one, harness our energies, harness our skills, harness our research capacity, and harness industrial production and productivity, Kenya is securely moving very fast to self-sufficiency and export market.
From the private sector, we will continue supporting you and working with you in this journey to make sure that our innovations that are coming up from these great institutes are really scaled up to make sure that we attain more industrialization and also contribute to greater food security to our country and the region as well.
Wewe ulibaki nyumbani, tutakupatia video kaangalie na mwaka ujao upange kuja. Pia niwashukuru exhibitors, wamekuwa wazuri sana kuleta bidhaa za hali ya juu, na nimeshukuru mashirika mbalimbali, vyuo vikuu na wote ambao walishiriki.
Muno kubwatia umuroberio uri busio umuroberio of vibes on vibes urachikoletwa sore nere DJ Reels, it's your girl Nikki na Obaigwa mwancho murigero nyare gusanga asinjira iri yavene kimagendera kubwatia Getembe TV ase imitandao yaitu ya YouTube Getembe TV and FM na Obaigwa Chinsa cha Facebook Getembe TV ngurukwa Matildah Obaigwa Veni Nyaboke kurwa save manyero na Obaigwa Kevin Ongeri kurwa ase studio ya Kavire.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure e company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire ya kirage chirangi chiga niko chiri chibirengo punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na Obaigwa chiri ya mache inyuranga chirangi chiga niko chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iri ya gatigati wekari guri iri abantabati Obaigwa imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraga ochoganiri erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi Obaigwa enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumigite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri g'omusongo eyuerange n'eduka ya Safaricom. Obaigwa ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere ange n'ebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe terase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amona mabaki Ndagira njanegwan sabna iyero sirine Riziki Caterers. Riziki Caterers ngorobare obukoreri ubuya asa Chinsa mobuna outside catering. Asimeyega buna chinyangi chionze, chi birthday, housewarming, chi anniversary, chi get together, amatanga, corporate events. Kokorabare nankwena nabare obukoreri asa Chinsa moboigo buna decorations, chi tent, ebirogo, chi mesa, chi keke, nabo igon kuru baro obukoreri bwa public address system. Diubago to kambarabare ne skuru yuboroso ya jogo. Samange bakresi miase namba 0797119986. Riziki Caterers, Ubwansu Windagira.
Keroka Technical Training Institute ni shule ambayo utaiaminia kwa masomo ya kiufundi kama vile Building and Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Applied Science Department, Computing and Informatics, Modern and Full Equipped Library, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Department, ambayo wanatoa viwango vyote. Na sasa usajili wa